Hi, my name is Seth and I welcome you to the first video of setting up your Windows for coding and website development. Now, before we start writing code, we are going to have a look at some important terms and tools used in the web development environment. Now, to start with, we are going to have a look at some things to know before you start coding or before you start web development. Some of these tools and terms are a web browser, a web page, a website, and web development. Now, since web browsers are going to be used a lot in our web development projects, we have to know their functionality and how they are used. Now, a web browser is an application software which is used for accessing information over the World Wide Web or the internet. And as you can see on your screen, we have lots of web browsers out there, but the common ones that we are going to make good use of are Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and preferably the ones you want to use to your own advantage. Okay, now the next thing we are going to have a look at is what a web page and what a website is. A web page is a document which can be displayed in a web browser according to MDN Docs. Now, a single web page or multiple web pages fused together or connected together or linked together is what we know or what we term as a website. So a website is a collection of web pages which are grouped and linked together. So on your screen you can see some examples of websites that we have, which are a linkage of multiple web pages. Okay, so now what is web development then? Web development or web dev is the building and maintenance of static and interactive websites with the help of web technologies, languages, and tools. So in our subsequent videos, we are going to have a look at some of these languages and tools and how we can use them to ease our coding life and in web development. So this brings us to the end of the first video of setting up your Windows for website development. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.